Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you about the ultimate Make Money Online Challenge to see how you can earn money. So stay with me till the end to learn about its tips and tricks. Let's get started. Before starting, let me show you some proof of success that people have achieved by this challenge, so you will know that it really works. There are several websites through which you can easily make money online, and the chances of making online money continue to expand with the growth of the internet. So our first website is TutorMe. You can easily access its website through tutorme.com. You can teach students on this platform and make money online. This website connects learners with suitable tutors when needed, leading to positive results for the entire community. Now here, you can see that this website has 1.3 million live sessions and writing lab submissions. Moreover, it has a 4.8 out of 5 average rating that students give to their tutors. TutorMe is looking for online tutors to become part of their successful tutor community. If you want to become a part of this online platform, then click on the Become a Tutor at the top. After that, click on the Apply Now button on the left side. Now, as you can see here, every tutor receives $16 per hour for their time spent working with pupils. Now, here are some requirements that you need to be eligible on this platform. So there are some countries where your work location is located. You can apply for this job by filling in the following essential requirements. Once you are done with this, now you can click on Apply at the bottom of this page. Now let us move on to the next website. This is Etsy, and you can easily access it through Etsy.com. This American e-commerce giant Etsy has online stores that sell unique and creative supplies with a focus on handmade and antique items. It is an online marketplace for people to purchase, sell, and get items. Now let us search for the coloring book in the search bar. Here, now you will get many options. You can select the one that you want. Now search for some artwork. Here, you get many varieties of artwork. You can select the one you want to buy. So click on it if you want to buy, then click on Buy It Now, and you can also download it. After that, scroll down, and here you can contact the sellers directly if you have any questions. Now visit the Bird Shop's Find page, then click on it. Here are the details of this page. As you can see, the items on the left column, 263 items, are on sale. Now let us check the reviews of this page. Here you can see all the reviews related to this page. You can also search for the top 5 products of Etsy on ChatGPT that are more profitable and earn more money. So these are the top rated items that you can sell on this platform. Now go back to Etsy and search for the handmade mug. These are some unique mugs. You can also make an account on Etsy by signing in with either of them. You can also sign in with your running account, or you can make a new one. Now go back and click on the categories. Here, you may have a variety of categories, and it depends on your skills and passion for the kind of store you want to open. Now let's go ahead on our next website, Making Money Online. So this is Printify. Now on the left column, click on the catalog. This will open a menu. So these are the categories on which you can start your store. Let us check some of them. So click on rugs and mats, and after that, click on women's clothing and then hoodies. Here are some hoodie designs, so click on one of them. Now, these are the details about that particular hoodie. You can also start designing hoodies according to the needs of the customer. Moreover, you can also select the AI image generator for better image designs. You can copy the text prompt from ChatGPT, so let us search for the prompt for digital art. Once you are done with this, now click on Enhance Prompt and then Generate Image. This will generate a variety of images. You can select the image according to your need and then click on Apply Image. After that, adjust the image according to your need on the front and back side of it. Then select the color of the hoodie. You can also enter the text that you want. Once you're done with this, click on the Save Product button at the bottom right corner. After that, you can add a description, price, and other necessary details related to this item. Now, let us take a look at our last website to make money online. This is Udemy. Now go to ChatGPT and search for the courses that give you more profit, and then search for digital marketing courses. After that, search for digital marketing on Udemy. This will show you the results of digital marketing resources, so you can also earn through this website. Lastly, you can make money online through YouTube channels. Here, click on your profile at the top right side. This will open up with a drop-down menu. Click on YouTube Studio. After that, click on the upload videos and then select files. You can also search for the top trending topics on ChatGPT to run your YouTube channel on. So this is how you can make money online. Hope you got some value. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.